Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to design your own custom voice from text using Chatterbox by Resemble AI. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Chatterbox on your Google browser and then just sign in with your Google account. And don't worry, you will get some free credits to explore. Next, just create new voice and then just click on voice designs and then just next. And here just type your prompt to describe the voice. For example, you can set the accents, age, gender, emotions, and even the purpose, like for podcast, narrations, or video content. Like for example, like this. And then just hit generate. And then Chatterbox will give you three different options. Just try to listen to them and then just pick the one that you like best.
Hello there. I'm so excited to be here with you today, ready to explore some amazing concepts together.
Hello, everyone. I'm so excited to share today's lesson with you. Let's dive into some fascinating concepts that will
Hello there. I'm so excited to explore this topic with you today. Remember, every question you have is a step toward
I think I will choose first voice.
learning can be so
Just click on it and then just click on select voice and then just give it a name to your new voice and then just click on create voice. And okay, your custom voice is ready and let's try generating text to speech. Just type your script in here and then just settings your voice. Click on voice settings and then just setting your speaking pace and then just set your exaggerations, temperature and then type your prompt to describe the voice characteristics and then just click on apply and play and then just click on play button to generate your text to speech.
health is your greatest investment. Drink water, eat well, and keep your body active every day. Small habits lead to a stronger and happier life.
Okay, like this, the results are surprisingly realistic and you can fine tune them however you want. And then if you want to download the voice, just click on download button. And okay, that's it for today's tutorial. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. It's you.